Chemistry Grand Test 9 Part 2. Actually, it is little boring paper. Lengthy questions. Now we will go with 46th question. When copper sulfate solution is electrolyzed in a copper voltmeter for 30 seconds, then m gram of copper was deposited. Time current graph for the electrolysis is shown in the figure. The value of the electrochemical equivalent of the copper. Generally, copper equivalent will be m by 2. If even you don't know, you can go with it. Sometimes it may be possible, but in general it will be m by 2. But here how to do this? M is equals to ZIT, Faraday's first law. Q is area of figure, and that is equals to 100 into 10 into 10 to the power of minus 3 plus 2 into 1 by 2 into 10 into 10 to the power of minus 3. This is all equals to 2. So m is equals to z into 2, or z is equals to m by 2. Actually, these kind of questions generally won't appear also. Okay, don't worry for these kind of questions. A solid crystallizes in a hexagonal structure as shown in the figure. If the density of the solid is 2 root 3, how many molecules are present in the given unit cell? See the angles, it is 120 degrees, it is 90 degrees, and the distance is 15 angstrom. So you need to find out Z. Okay, now D is equals to Zm by N naught AQ. So Z is equals to D N naught AQ by M. So Z is equals to 2 root 3 into 750 root 3 into 10 to the power of minus 24 into 6 into 10 to the power of 23 Avogadro's number divided by 450. So it is equals to 6. Fine. Lengthy question. Here it is given. See here, 40% H2SO4, 1% HgSO4. So this is CH3COH double bond CH2. Question. A and structure of A. Probe 1 in 2 hole, and this is tautomerism. This one. Probe 1 in 2 hole. Here chlorine, HNO3, H2SO4. So first it comes chlorine, orthopara, NO2. NaOH 150 degrees Celsius. Okay, now. So this will become OH. Actually, we need 300 degrees Celsius, but because of NO2 group, it becomes little easy. Then NaOH is there, so it will become even ONA also, O minus Na plus with NO2 group here. Then CH3I. So this is Williamson synthesis. Williamson synthesis means this will become OCH3. This is NO2. And now you are going for concentrated H2SO4. OCH3 is orthopara directing group. So for this orthopara directing, OCH3, this is NO2, and at this place SO3H. So OCH3, SO3H, and NO2. Done. Look at 50th question. In which of the following reactions alcohol is formed as product which gives positive iodoform test? It can give positive iodoform test. It cannot give positive iodoform test. This HCOOET and CH3COOET. So pH, I think your answer should be this one, because excess when you are using, this becomes CH3C double bond O. First pH will come, and later it becomes CH3COH, pH and pH. But this can give iodoform. In this case, it will become HC double bond O, pH. It cannot give any iodoform test. Later, if you are using excess, it will become HCOH to pH groups. So what he is actually asking here is This can't give iodoform, but after methyl magnesium bromide it becomes CH3, CH2, CH, OH, CH3. And then after this, if you are going for, now it can give CH3, CH2, C double bond O, CH3, alpha methyl group. So it gives iodoform test. Initially it won't give, but after the reaction with methyl magnesium bromide followed by hydrolysis, oxidation, it will give. This initially it can give, but he is asking after the reaction with the Grignard reagent. So after the Grignard reagent reaction, it becomes like this. It can't give any iodoform test. For the iodoform test, you need C double bond O, CH3. This is mandatory. So question number 51, you see. Meanwhile, I'll just switch off the fan and come. Fan sound is coming much. Look at 51, 52. Yes, I am back. This is really lengthy paper. If any student gets this kind of paper, definitely chemistry score will go. And in this kind of paper, if you are getting 50 also, your percentage will be more than 99. More than 99.9. The question is 21.4 milligrams of HCl completely dissolved in some amount of water to form 2 liters of a solution. The pH of the following solution is observed to be 5. The salt in solid state forms rock salt structure with ionic radius. Then get the density of the solid crystal in terms of gram per centimeter cube. So density formula is known to you. Later he is asking, what are the things he asked? Get the density of the crystal. (21.4 milligrams dissolved in some amount of water to form 2 liters of a solution. pH of the solution is 5. The salt in the solid state forms a rock salt structure with ionic radius of x 0.8 to 1.7. Then you calculate the density of the solid crystal. Density is equal to Zm by N0 A cube. Here Kb is given. What is the need of Kb and all? We need only Z. Concentration of the solution, molarity if you want, 21.4 milligrams into 10 to the power of minus 3 grams. HCl. Molecular mass will take m into 1 by 2 liters. This is molarity, this is molecular weight. So many complications are here. Let us see the key. What is the answer given? 57 is the answer. Answer is 57. We have only this relation. We need this one. We have to apply here. So this molecular mass we have to find out. How to find out the molecular mass? pH is equals to 5 mentioned. pH is equal to 5 means H plus concentration is given. HCl, salt. So we can take it as buffer. Not buffer, salt only. For salt, pH is equal to 5 is equal to 7 minus of pKa minus of log C. From this you need to find out. Lengthy man. Let me check this question. Okay, at a time we'll see. Okay, now. Sorry for this question. I am taking time now. So Sorry. Let me check because so many complications are there. Incorrect statements. pH of acid rain, NCERT statements. Ozone is destroyed by solar radiations in upper atmosphere. No. This is wrong statement. Remaining all are NCERT statements as it is. 53rd, a certain mass of substance when dissolved in 100 grams of C6H6 lowers the freezing point by 1.28. The same mass dissolved in freezing point by 1.40. If the substance normal molecular mass of benzene is completely dissociated in water, then how many? Very lengthy questions. We'll check this question. 1.28 delta TF is equal to IKFM. Kf of water is saying about lower the freezing point 100 grams of benzene. Okay, now for benzene it is 5.12. I value certain mass of substance. I value we don't know. It is given 5.12 into molality. Molality is certain mass of substance. We don't know the mass also. Certain mass of a substance, we don't know even the molecular mass, into 1000 by 100. For another one, 1.40 is equal to the same mass of solute dissolved in 100 grams of water. Here also I we don't know. Okay, into 1.86 into x by gram molecular weight into 1000 by 100. Now, what is asking? The relation. See, what he mentioned here is, if the substance has normal molecular mass in benzene, that means it is not undergoing any dissociation or association, and is completely dissociated in water. Okay, now, so here I factor will be there, here I factor is 1. So that is also you can take. So what is this? How many ions? So I factor is asking simply. Okay, so we'll divide this one. 1.28 by 1.4 is equals to 5.12 by 1.86. This x by gram molecular weight, this part I am cancelling, that part is same. I factor, this is one I factor is there, I into 1.86. So I is equal to, this will be going up, and 1.4 into 5.12 divided by 1.28 into 1.86. Just let me calculate, give me some time. Frankly speaking, the paper setter is a very tough man. Sir, kudos, you prepared a very good paper, but at this time this kind of paper will demotivate the students. This is 3. So number of how many ions? So 3 answer. Very lengthy, very lengthy. A soap of sodium stearate in solution starts methylation at 1.2 10 to the power of minus 3 molar. A colloidal particle on an average contains total number of micelles. Why, sir? Why this much lengthy questions? What is your intention actually? All questions are lengthy questions only. I think you took lot of time for the preparation of question paper. I need to appreciate you, but grand test papers, at least there should be 50%, 60% easy questions. These all questions are very, very, very big. Okay, now 1 micelle is equal to, given here, 2.4 into 10 to the power of 13 molecules, given condition. So 1.2 into 10 to the power of minus 3 molarity means it will come 1.2 if you calculate 10 to the power of minus 9 moles. So how many molecules will be there? If you check the molecules, it will come 30. Very lengthy, man, very lengthy. Not at all happy with this. Assuming there is no 2s2p mixing. That means you need to write like oxygen. The number of paramagnetic species among the following. 2s2p mixing point of view, if they are asking, okay, now 2s2p mixing is not there, means we need to write like oxygen type. In that H2, this will be diamagnetic, He2 plus obviously paramagnetic, lithium diamagnetic only, beryllium to diamagnetic only, boron 2. Okay, now boron is normally diamagnetic, normally paramagnetic, but this will become here diamagnetic, this will become paramagnetic, C2 minus 2 will become diamagnetic, N2 plus will be definitely paramagnetic, N2 will be, N2 is normal, okay, now O2 is paramagnetic, O2 minus is obviously paramagnetic, S2 is paramagnetic, F2 is diamagnetic. Okay, N2 will be normally 14 electrons, so it should be diamagnetic, no worries in that. So how many are going to be there? Fifth question. Para, he is asking para. Alkene plus ozone, CS3CHO. This is Amaya. Thank God. But again, he is asking how many different isomers of alkene X can give the above reaction. See, CH3, CH double bond. Here O is there. This is methyl. This part I am taking CH2, CH double bond. This carbon I need to take CH3. So CH2, CH2, CH3, CH2, CH2, CH3. This can show cis trans. It can also show cis trans. So cis trans, cis trans. So how many are possible? When this is cis, it is trans. When this is cis, it is trans. So two possibilities are there. And instead of writing like this, you can write in opposite way also. So this part you can write here, this part you can write here. That I am writing now. First I am taking this CH3, CH2, CH3 double bond. Instead of writing like this, earlier to this part we have added this one. Now we will be adding this one. CH3, this one, CH2, this part I am writing CH3, C double bond O, CH2, CH double bond. Now I am adding this one, CH3H3. Here again cis trans, here again cis trans. So total 8 are possible. Paper setters are heads of team. Students will die, sir. It takes minimum 1 hour to complete this paper. You are simply superb. But sir, please think about the students. Give some easy questions. 57th question. Initial concentration of N2O5 in the following first order reaction. The concentration of N2O5 after 60 minutes. The rate constant of the reaction in minutes. Okay, now rate constant of the reaction in minutes he is asking. So K is equals to 2.303 by T log A by A minus X is our formula. This we need to do after 60 minutes like that. After 60 minutes time, it will be 2.303 by T log 1.24 10 to the power of minus 2 by 0.2 10 to the power of minus 2. So that is nothing but 2.303 by 60 log 6.2. So overall it is going to be 0.0304 at 3 into 10 to the power of minus 2. Okay, lengthy again. The number of reagents listed below which can reduce Fe plus 3 to Fe plus 2. Gone. H2O2 in basic medium reduces Fe plus 3 to Fe plus 2. In basic medium. Okay, now this is fine. Fe plus 3 to Fe plus 2. Not in acidic medium. So all these you can take. So 58 here. Let me go with this paper setter. H2O in basic medium reduces Fe plus 3 to Fe plus 2 mentioned. So this is okay. This is also okay. Na2O in water is fine, not in acidic medium. How many of the following compounds produces? This is answer 3. A product having molecular weight equal to heavy water when dissolved in heavy water. Okay, CaC2 will give you C2D2. Okay, and Mg3N2 will give you ND3. B2C will give you CD4. Al4C3 will give you CD4. Ca3P2 will give you PD3. HCl will give you DCl. What is the question? How many of the following compounds have molecular weight equal to heavy water? Heavy water molecular weight is 20. CD4 is 20. This is again 20. ND3 is 20. Not 20. 14, not 20. So 3 are there. Okay, so 3 compounds. How many of the following exist only in solution state? Group 1 bicarbonates exist in solid state except lithium. So this is solution state. Not this one. Magnesium bicarbonate solution state. This is solution state. This is solid. This is solid. This is solution. This is solution. So 4 NCERT. Overall, very tough paper. I suggest you not to see this. Okay, not to see this paper. No need. No. At this time, you need confidence. By seeing this paper, you will lose your confidence. Okay. Don't worry. It happens.